Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 8. This is Section 3.4, Problem 8. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 1.8 times 2.2. So, really, to get it started, you're going to multiply 18 times 22. Just initially ignore the decimals. So, 2 times 8 is 16. Write the 6, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 more that you carried is 3. Now I'm going to multiply the other 2. Before I do, I want to either fill in a 0 or leave a blank spot because I need to slide over one spot to the left. So I'll put in a 0. 2 times 8 is going to be 16. Again, write the 6, carry the 1. There's still a 1 there from last time. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 more that I carried is 3. And now I can add those answers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then nothing plus 3 is 3. So without the decimal, I'd have an answer of 396. But I have to put the decimal in. So go back to the question, see how many total digits you have after the decimal in your question. In the question, there's a total of 2 digits after the decimal. So I must have the same number of digits after the decimal in my answer. So if I put the decimal between the 3 and the 9 and write it as 3.96, I would have 2 digits after the decimal in the answer. And that's the answer, 3.96.